In problem number 6, I don't see anything common about the denominator, so I'm going to go ahead and butterfly this. I'm going to take 6 times the quantity, 2x minus 1, bring down the addition sign, 5 times the quantity, x plus 5, and on the bottom I'm going to push these together. Okay, I'm going to distribute the top, and I'm going to FOIL the bottom. Okay, on the bottom, I FOIL, I get 2x squared minus x plus 10x minus 5. Okay, let's combine like terms. I may have to write on this paper. I get, let's see, 12 and 5. It's going to be 17x. Take away 5 plus 19 over 2x squared plus 9x minus 5 equals 1, which is the same as 1 over 1. Now I'm going to cross multiply and set them equal. 1 times this quantity, it doesn't change anything. 1 times this quantity, again, it doesn't change anything. I always suggest to move to the side that has the x squared. So I'm going to move the 17 to the other side and the 19. Nothing is left on the left-hand side. I have 2x squared minus 8x minus 24. Now I recognize each one of those numbers or coefficients in the trinomial is divisible by 2. And I'm going to divide both sides by 2 to get 0 equals this trinomial. Oops, that's going to be a 12, sorry. Okay, this looks like it may be factorable. What multiplies to equal negative 12 and combines to give us negative 4? Different signs, larger is negative. 6 and 2, because this is 1, it's one of the easy ones we can do. So when I set each of these equal to 0, I get 6 and I get negative 2. But be careful, because this original problem is an irrational equation. So I'm going to write down the denominators since it's a little bit messy up there. So there's 3 denominators, but we only are concerned with denominators that have variables. I'm only concerned about these 2 denominators. And now in order to test to see are these viable solutions, when I plug in a 6, I just can't equal 0. That's the only thing. 6 plus 5 is 11. It's not 0. 12 minus 1, it's not 0. This works. Let's try negative 2. Negative 2 plus 5, it's not 0. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Negative 4 minus 1, it's not 0. So I have 2 answers of 6 and negative 2.